Hello friends, this is Amit. Today I am going to give you the concept about matrix multiplication. Here, the first one I am going to take is row matrix and column matrix multiplication. So let's see how it proceeds. So first one I am going to take row matrix and multiply with column matrix. Here I am going to take one example to clear you the concept about multiplication of row and column matrix. So here I'm going to take the row matrix of example of 1 1 2. Okay, and the order that come out to this row matrix is of order 1 cross 3. This one represent number of rows and this 3 represent number of column. Clear? Now take the column matrix of something like that 1 1 2. Yeah. So the column matrix of that's come out to be 3 cross 1. Same here. This one represents number of rows and this one represents number of columns. So the the orders come out from this matrices is of 1 cross 3 matrix of first one of row matrix and the column matrix of 3 cross 1. So here we can see that this one and then this one are same. So the basic standard condition to multiply two matrices is that this one, second one, and this first one must be same to multiply a matrix. Okay, and the matrix that come out after the multiplication of row matrix and column matrix is of order 1 cross 1. Okay, so here I'm going to carry out this example. So this example become, so for that the matrix is come out to be of 1 cross 1. So 1 here I am going to denote you to clear some good concept. Here it's come out to be like this, here it's come like to be this, and here it's come out like this. So we have to multiply this in this fashion to get our answer. So first we have to multiply 1 cross 1 and the second one multiply as this one is first and this one is second and this one is third. So multiply in the same order. First 1 cross 1, second one 1 into 1 and third one will be 2 into 2. So the answer that's come out after the addition of this one become 1, this one become 1, this one become 4. So the answer that's come out is 1 plus 1 plus 4 and the answer will be 6, which come out to be 1 cross 1 matrix. So as we see, our concept is clear from this equation. And the second one that I'm going to take is multiplication of column matrix with row matrix. Multiplication of column matrix and row matrix. For this concept also I'm going to take a simple example to clear your concept. So for column matrix I'm going to take here is of order is the question of 1 1 2 and is a represent as 3 cross 1 and here I'm going to take the row matrix of 1 1 2, same as before. This one represent number of rows, number of row, and this one represent number of multiply this one from this one. So from order we can see that this one becomes 1 cross 1, 1 cross 3. So let's see the order of the matrix that come out after the multiplication of these two matrices. So from this we can see that this the first one, A matrix and B matrix. So A matrix is of order 3 cross 1, and the B matrix is of order 1 cross 3. So as we can see that the standard condition to multiply any two matrices are fulfilled. These two are same, so we can proceed with our multiplication. So what we have to do for this is first this number is to multiply with this one, and with then this with this one, and then with this one. So I'm going to take a number, first A, second B, and it's sorry, it's 1, it's 2, and it's 3. So do it. So to multiply it, it's become something like this: 1 into 1, and the second one is 1 into 1, and from third equation 1 into 2. And now to multiply this one, I am changing the color. So first with this one, second with this one, and third with this one. Okay, to get the number same before, it's 1, is 2, is 3. Okay, so I'm going to do it. It's 1 cross 1, 1 into 1, and then 1 into 1, and then 1 into 2. Okay, and the third one is also of same. So I'm going to change the color and do it again. So it's again we have to multiply with this one, and with this one, and with this one. Clear? So it's become 2 into 1, and this one become 2 into 1, and this one become 2 into 2. Clear? As you can see, this one become 3 cross 3 multiplication. Clear? So from this we get our answer. So this multiplication become 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 4. Here from here we get our answer. That's how to multiply a column matrix with row matrix. Clear? Now I'm going to give you one more clearance, that I'm going to multiply 3 cross 3 matrix with the column matrix. Okay, so in third one I'm going to multiply 3 cross 3 matrix with a column matrix. Clear? So for that we proceed something like this. I am going to take a 3 cross 3 matrix with one example. It is something like that I am going to take a 3 cross 3 matrix of 1, 0, 2, and this one become 3, 1, 5, and the third one is anything you can take it, 1, 1, 2. So this matrix comes out to be of order 3 cross 3. This one represents same number of rows, and this one number of column. Clear? Now we have to take a column matrix to multiply this with. So I am going to take a column matrix. Okay, so the matrix that I am going to take a simple example. Okay, 1 1 2, and the order that comes out to be of this matrix is of 3 cross 1, 3 cross 1. Okay, and this one the same, so number of rows, and this one is the number of columns. So let's see that whether this matrix fulfill the condition of multiplication of matrix multiplication or not. For that, take it as a A and take it as a B matrix and clear that. Once you get a good grip over this matrix multiplication, you can directly do it. But to give you a clear view, I'm going to do something like that. So it is something 3 cross 1, and we can see that this 3 and this 3 are same. So our basic criteria to multiply matrices is fulfilled. So we can proceed to get the multiplication, and the matrix that come out is of order 3 cross 1. Okay, the matrix that come out after multiplication of 3 cross 3 matrix into column matrix is of order 3 cross 1. So now proceed. So we can do something like that. For that we have to do something like this, that first we have to multiply this one, then this one, and then this one by one to get the 3 cross 1 matrix. Okay, so let's proceed to get the 3 cross 1. So we can do it something like this. Number it 1, this one is 2, and this one is 3. So first one is 1 cross 1 plus it. Now it's 0 into 2 plus it, with 2 into 4. Clear? And now we have to multiply next one. So first multiply 3 with 1, 1 with 2, and 5 with 2. Sorry, 1 with 1 and 5 with 2. So now you can give that number also 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it is something like 3 cross 1 plus 1 into 1, and it will become 5 into 2. Now again we have to multiply the third one with this. So it's something like that. Let's multiply with this one, and this one multiply with this one, and this one multiply with this one. You can directly number them 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it is something like that, that 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Sorry, actually let's come out to 2 plus 2. Now solve it. So what we get? We get after addition 1 plus 0 plus 4. It's become 4. Okay, so it becomes 5. Now it's 3, 1, and 10. So it becomes 14. And this one 1, 1, and 4. So it becomes 6. So from this you can see that our standard matrix come out of 3 cross 1. Clear? This is the way we can proceed to multiply 3 cross 3 matrix with a column matrix. Now the fourth one that I'm going to take is of order. I'm going to multiply a row matrix. Okay, row matrix with 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so the example that I'm going to take here is something like that. For row matrix, I'm going to take 1 1 2, which come out to be of order 1 cross 3, and for 3 cross 3 matrix we can take any simple example 2 3 4 1 1 5, which comes out to be a matrix of 3 cross 3. Okay, this one remain the same number of rows, and this one is number of column. Okay, so now we have to calculate whether this one satisfy the multiplication of matrix criteria or not. So for we can see this, it's become 1 cross 3, and this is 3 cross 3. So from here we can see that 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 3, 3 this one and this one is satisfy this multiplication of matrix criteria, and the matrix that come out after multiplication of these two matrices A and B is of order 1 cross 3. Clear? So now we have to proceed something like that to get the answer of this question. So I'm going to see you how we are proceed with this multiplication. So for that, first we have to multiply this one with this one with this, and this one with this. Okay, so you can number it 1 2 and 3. Okay, so here we can take it as 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 from second number, and from third one is 2 into 1. Okay, so it is something close there. Now again we have to multiply with the second one. So for second one we can note down as, we can multiply it as with this one with this one, and this one with this one. You can number them 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this one becomes something like that. So we have to multiply this one. It comes out to be 1 into 0 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. Clear? And the third one that comes out after multiplication is, for that we can take different color. Okay, take this one. So first multiply with this one. Oh, sorry. First multiply 1 with 1. Second multiply 1 with 4, and multiply 2 with 5. Okay, and you can number them 1 2 and 3. So it's easy to get the order. So 1 directly multiply with 1, and here 1 into 4 and 2 into 5. Okay, now I can close the matrix, and it's come out as, you can calculate it. So what it becomes. It's 1 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 to 4 and 5, and the second one is 0 3 2, also becomes 5, and this one 1 4 10, this one becomes 15. So it's come out of order 1 cross 3. Clear? As we have calculated that what our matrix order should be come out of 1 cross 3, and this come out to be 1 of 3, 1 order 3. So I think I'm able to give you the basic idea to multiply this type of row and column matrices. So thank you for being with me.